got mud on my camera.
Did you throw mud on it?
Yeah.
Pull it just a little bit. Try to get you in the shade. Hell, that didn't work either. Sorry about that.
Yeah, he done got mud on the lens.
We got to bring it in, clean it off.
Yep.
Land it right in your hand.
Damn, he got it.
Oh, hell! Man, I ain't got nothing to clean it with. Got it all over the damn landing gear and everything.
Okay,
I'm with
so
myself.
who you really with?
I ain't with nobody.
You're really out here trying to get some titty shots?
Yeah, we're trying to get the titty shots.
Come on, for real. How do y'all learn how to operate that so damn good?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know, miss.
Bullshit.
I just learned how to do
You're
it.
talking about some old timers over here,
I
dude.
just try to do it.
You can't bullshit none of us. Good at it. I gotta say. No, that's pretty cool. You flip it. You can do all kinds of shit with them. They're awesome. Who are you with, really?
I ain't with nobody. I came by myself. Yeah.
No, I mean company-wise. You're
I
just
ain't with
doing it.